Log into your WordPress account, and in the dashboard you're going to see appearance. I'm going to go over themes with you in this video. You will see themes just as I showed you in the instructions, and you can choose and browse from a number of different themes. You can even put search filters in. Notice there's things like custom menu, um, and custom header, and I will go over some of those details with you today. So if you click on any theme, you will see your information in that theme, and if you like it, you can click on activate. If you don't like it, you could just click on the X and choose a different theme. And in addition, I want to show you a couple of other things. There's something called background. So you can actually put a background. This is from the sample pictures on the computer. This is tiled horizontally and its position is left. You can change these things. You could center it. You can make it right. You could just tile it. You can see how these things are changing as I am changing these little radio buttons. I'd recommend choosing your own picture. If you don't have any pictures and you want to utilize this background, and if you have this option in your theme, not all themes have this option, then there are some sites that I will be posting that will be available to you. Something like Wikimedia it has a lot of different images that you could download for free. So you could do a search for free images in Google, and then you can get that. But you can't just take any image from the internet, because that is against copyright laws, because other people have taken those pictures. So you'd have to give them credit for it. Another thing you could do with themes are to put headers, put your own header. You would click on Browse, go to the sample images on your computer, and you can choose any image. We can choose a water lilies, and then I would hit Upload, and see how it just takes a portion of the image. So it's going to crop it automatically, and you can decide if you wanted it to be here, or you can change it around. You would just hit crop and publish when you're ready, and then you will have your header image. If you don't have your own image, you can go to Wikimedia, or you can choose another image here and then hit Save Changes, and depending on what you've chosen, that's what will appear. Again, if you browse and upload, that will be the image that you want. So, or you could hit Restore Original Header Image, and that was my original header image. So you could really play around with this and figure out how it's going to work for you. I want to talk about menus as well. I have something called My Menu, and you can just put this name in there if you don't have anything in there yet. And then you want to make sure that the primary navigation is the menu that you have created. And always remember to hit Save and Save Menu when you're creating these things. By default, you should see your pages in the Pages section. It should show you the most recent pages. You can click View All to see all your pages. You can even search for a page. And then all you'd have to do in order to create your menu is you could click on what you want to add and then click Add to Menu. And then it'll automatically appear in your menu. And then you can drag and drop it to wherever you like. If you don't want it to be there anymore, you can just hit Remove. One other thing I want to talk about is settings. Want to make sure you remove the tagline for your site. If it says just another WordPress site, you want to remove that. You want to give your site a name, so your own name would be great. And always remember to hit Save Changes. And in the reading section, you want to make sure the front page displays your bio. So whatever you call that, whether it was about or something else, please make sure that you click a static page in the radio button and the front page is the About page. And always, again, remember to hit Save Changes or Save. I hope you found this helpful.